Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss application to word problems of linear equation. Application to problems based on what? Articles and cost. Applications to problems based on articles and their cost. Articles we know: pen, pencil, book, bat, ball, and what you see, you can say watches, chairs, tables, all these are what articles, whatever you see around us, beds, isn't it? These are all articles. So before this we discussed the substitution method, elimination method, and we know how to convert non-linear equation to linear equation, and from there we can solve the equations x and y. We were finding out the solution, also we are finding out. After that we learnt what? We learnt the graphical way of representation of this equation and to find the solutions, that also we discussed. Now in this equation, in this video we are going to discuss the word problem based on articles and their cost. So if to solve this, first what we have to do, we have to read the question very carefully and we should know each and every meaning of the word. After that we should find out, we should search two informations, those will be given in the question, because it is a pair of linear equation, that's why two informations will be there. After gathering two informations, we have to convert them into a equation form or mathematical format. Okay, then identify the unknown quantities, then we should give the quantities a variable name like that: x, y, z, ya, p, q, u, v, like that you can give the variable name. After that formulate the equation in terms of variables, then solve the equation by either elimination method or substitution method. Only these two methods are given in your course in this year. Okay, let's start. In this question what is saying, 5 pens and 6 pencils together cost 9 rupees 9. Okay, then 3 pens and 2 pencils cost rupees 5, and find 1 pen and 1 pencil. So you went to the market and you bought how many? 5 pens. You bought 5 pens and 6 pencils. 6 pencils, and you paid how much? 9 rupees. So again your brother went to the same shop and he bought 3 pens and 2 pencils. So he paid how much? 5 rupees. So after coming home you asked him, what is the, you brought 5 pencil and 6 pencil for 9 rupees and brother bought for 3 pens and 2 pencils for 5 rupees, then what is the price of 1 pencil and 1 pen? Suppose 1 pen price, 1 pen cost 3 rupees, then 5 pens will cost how much? 3 into 5, that is 15 rupees, isn't it? And if the pencil cost is 1 pencil costs 2 rupees, then how many 6 pencils he bought? 6 2s are 12 rupees. Total he might have paid 27 rupees, isn't it? But here we don't know what is the cost of pen and what is the cost of pencil. So these two conditions are given. These are the two conditions given. So what we shall do, because we don't know the pen price and pencil price, so let us assume, let the cost of 1 pen equals to rupees x कर दिए. So how many pencils? Then the cost of how many? 5 pens. 5 pens. Obviously here 1 pen cost is 3 rupees, 5 means we multiplied. Similarly here 1 pen cost is x and 5 pens cost will 5, that is 5x. Then cost of 1 1 pencil equals to rupees how much y. We assumed let the cost of one pencil be y rupees. Then how many pencils he bought? First case 6 pencils he got. Then the cost of 6 pencils equals to y into 6, that is 6y, and together how much? 5 pens. So according to the here I wrote, but okay, let me write all. According to the question. According to the question. First case, what is given? 5 pens. 5 pens cost is how much? 5x plus 3 pencils, no 6 pencils. 6 pencils, 6y cost how much? 9 rupees. You see, rupees only will come. Okay. So this is the first case. Right. Now second equation we shall go. How much he is saying? 3 pens and 2 pencils. So cost of 3 pens equals to what? X into 3, that equals to rupees how much? 3x. Then cost of how many pencils? Cost of 3 pens and 2 pencils. Cost of 2 pencils equals to y into 2, that is equals to rupees 2x. Both together how much he paid? Now we shall do according to the question. तो सेकंड केस क्या हो जाएगा? सो 3 पेन्स का कॉस्ट क्या हाउ मच? 3x रुपीज़ एंड 2 पेंसिल कॉस्ट हाउ मच? 2x रुपीज़ इक्वल्स टू हाउ मच ही पेड? He paid 5 rupees. 2 pencil cost is rupees 5. Okay. So this is our second equation. First equation is what? First equation is 5x plus 6y equals to 9. Here this is y, sorry. 5x plus 6y is 9. Then second equation is 3x plus 2y equals to 5. This is our first equation. This is our second equation. We know how to solve by elimination method. This sum I will do everything, each step. After that I will put the equation. Once equation is formed this way, then you can solve the question, isn't it? Solve the equations, isn't it? So let's solve it by elimination method. By elimination method. So now you see, if you want to eliminate y, so what you will do? First equation y coefficient is 6, you have to multiply second equation by 6, and second equation coefficient of y is 2, you multiply first equation by 2. So we can eliminate y. Okay, let's multiply first equation with 2 and second equation by 6. Okay, now what is coming we shall see. Now first equation 2 into 5x plus 6y equals to 6y equals to 9. Okay, so this is second equation is 6 into 3x plus 2y equals to 5. After multiplying, what we are getting? 5 2s are 10x plus 6 2s are 12y equals 9 2s are 18 rupees. All are rupees, okay? 6 3s are 18x, 6 into 3, 6 3s are 18x, 6 into 2, plus into plus is plus, 6 into 2 is 12y. Always first multiplication, first you have to multiply the sign, then number, then variable, that you remember, okay? So equals to plus into plus is plus, 5 6 are 30. Now this is our third and fourth equation. Subtract fourth equation from the third. इसलिए first we should write third equation, after that fourth equation. So subtract minus sign, this is our minus sign, this is also minus, plus also minus, okay? Now this 2 has gone, 12. Now 18 minus 8x equals to 30 minus 18. 10 minus 8 is 2, 1, that is minus 12, okay? Now minus minus get cancels, so x equals to 12 upon 8, then 4 2s are 4 3s are, x equals to 3 upon 2. This is our x has come. Now what we will do? Substitute. Now this we shall मिटा देंगे इसको. Now substitute x value in where? In second equation. Yep, first equation, in first equation, original equation. So what is our original equation? That is 5x plus 5 pens and 6 pencils. 5x into 6y equals to how much? 9 rupees. First equation. So now 5x value is 5 into 3 upon 2 plus 6y equals to 9. So 15 upon 2 plus 6y equals to 9. So 6y equals to 9 minus 15 upon 2. So now you take out the LCM, that implies, okay, all these are implies, that implies 6y equals to 18 minus 15, that is 6y equals to 15, 3 upon 2, y equals to 3 upon 2 into 1 upon 6, 3 2s are 6, y equals to 1 upon 4, okay. Now so now what is our y value? X is what? The cost of 1 pen equals to 3 upon 2 rupees, and the cost of 1 pencil equals to 1 rupees 1 upon 4. This is the answer. Got it? So this way you will do it, okay. Let's do the next question. So in this question what is saying? 7 audio cassettes and 3 video cassettes cost 1110 rupees. So 7 audio and how much? 3 videos, this much it is costing. Then while 5 audios and 4 videos cost this much. Find the cost of an audio cassette and video, and 1 cassette cost and 1 video cassette cost we have to find out. He is not given, so let's let the cost of, मैं डायरेक्ट कर रहा हूँ, आपको समझ में आएगा. The cost of 1 audio cassette equals to rupees X. Then the cost of cost of one audio cassette and video cassette. Video cassette equals to rupees y. So according to the question, like that you can write in the examination also. According to the question, what is saying? The cost of 5 audios, 7 audios, one is x, 7 audios will be 7x. Okay, so first case में क्या लिखेंगे? 7x plus 3 videos, video cost is y, 3y equals to how much? 1110 rupees. Okay, अभी second case में क्या है? Second case, how much he bought? 5 audios, that means 5x, and how many videos? And 4 videos, 4 videos equals to 1350. These are the informations are given and we converted into equation form. Now we have to substitute elimination method, we can do it. So what method? Elimination method is better. By elimination method, what is our first equation? 7x plus 3y equals to 1110 है, और सेकेंड इक्वेशन क्या है? 5x plus 4y equals to 1350 है. तो अब एलिमिनेशन मेथड करना है. y को अगर एलिमिनेट करना है तो क्या करेंगे? मल्टीप्लाई फर्स्ट इक्वेशन बाय सेकेंड इक्वेशन. कोएफिशिएंट क्या है? 4. y का कोएफिशिएंट क्या है? 4 है, बाय 4, एंड सेकेंड इक्वेशन बाय इसका, इस फर्स्ट इक्वेशन के साथ 4 कर दिया, तो सेकेंड इक्वेशन के साथ 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तो 7x प्लस 3y इक्वल्स टू 1110, ये एज इट इज़ लिख दिया. फिर इसका भी एज इट इज़ लिख देंगे. सेकेंड इक्वेशन ये है हमारा फर्स्ट इक्वेशन, ये है हमारा सेकेंड इक्वेशन. तो 5x प्लस 4y इक्वल्स टू 1350. अभी मल्टीप्लाई करना है तो इसको किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, और इस इक्वेशन को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, क्योंकि फर्स्ट इक्वेशन का y का कोएफिशिएंट क्या है? 3 है, तो इसलिए इसको मल्टीप्लाई किए. और इसका 4 क्या है? सेकंड इक्वेशन का 4 के साथ फर्स्ट इक्वेशन मल्टीप्लाई, ये 4 कर दिए. अब मल्टीप्लाई करने से क्या आ रहा है? तो 7 4 आर 28x प्लस 4 3 आर 12y इक्वल्स टू 4440 आ गया. अभी इसका 15x होगा. 15x प्लस 12y इक्वल्स टू 3 0 7 0 3 5 7 15 1 3 0 9 10 1 3 1 7 4050 आ गया. ठीक है, अब इसको क्या करेंगे? सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. तो y, तो यहाँ लिखेंगे क्या है? सब्ट्रैक्ट फोर्थ इक्वेशन फ्रॉम थर्ड. दिस इज आवर थर्ड, दिस इज आवर फोर्थ. ठीक है, तो 28x एज इट इज़ हमें लिख लेंगे. 12y लिख दिए, 4440. ओके, देन थर्ड इक्वेशन इज व्हाट? 15x प्लस 12y then equals to 4050 we have written. Now subtract, he said. So what we have to do? We have to change the sign. This plus 15 will become minus 15x, and 12 plus 12y will become minus 12y, plus 4050 will become minus 4050. Okay, now subtract. So this one will go. Now 15 8 minus 5 is 3 and 13x, that equals to 4050 से 0 0 0 0, then 14 minus 5 is 9, then 390, isn't it? Then x equals to 390 upon 13. 13 3s are 0, so x equals to 30. ठीक है, आ गया, x का वैल्यू हमारा आ गया। अब y का वैल्यू लाएंगे। सो सब्स्टिट्यूट, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन लिख देंगे, सब 3x प्लस 7x प्लस 3y इक्वल्स टू 1110। ठीक है, नाउ सब्स्टिट्यूट x इन इक्वेशन 1। इक्वेशन 1 क्या है? 7x प्लस 3y इक्वल्स टू 1110। तो 7x का वैल्यू क्या आया था हमारा? 30 आया, तो यहाँ 30 प्लस 3y इक्वल्स टू 1110। तो ये हो गया 210 हो जाएगा, प्लस 3y कर दिए, फिर ये 1110 को एज इट लिखेंगे, फिर 3y लेंगे और ये वाला को इधर भेज देंगे, तो ये माइनस हो जाएगा, -210। तो दैट इक्वल्स टू 3y इक्वल्स टू 110 माइनस करने से क्या है 900 आएगा, इक्वल्स टू 900। 900 को ऐड करो, 1 1 होगा, 9 2 11 हो गया। y इक्वल्स टू 900, ये मल्टीप्लाई है, यहाँ डिवीजन हो गया, ये हो गया 300। सो हमारा फर्स्ट क्या है? ऑडियो कैसेट, ऑडियो कैसेट कॉस्ट इक्वल्स टू हाउ मच? रुपीस। ऑडियो के x का वैल्यू क्या आया था? 30। और वीडियो कैसेट कॉस्ट इक्वल्स टू रुपीस 300। दिस इज द आंसर। समझ में आ गया? ऐसा ही करना है। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं कुछ आरडी का और एग्जाम्पलर, एनसीईआरटी एग्जाम्पलर का सम्स कुछ पिक करके अपलोड करूँगी और उसको डिस्कस करेंगे, लेकिन पूरा मैं ऐसा सॉल्व नहीं करूँगी, आपको इक्वेशन दे के छोड़ दूँगी, फिर आप लोग खुद सॉल्व करेंगे। अगर नहीं आया तो फिर मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखना है, ठीक है? थैंक यू वेरी मच बाय वॉचिंग माय वीडियो। बाय बाय। और वो बात भूलना मत, लाइक बटन को दबाना, ठीक है? ओके, थैंक यू।